Momita from Kolkata writes in. She says, "Hi Sakshi, everything seems to be in the red. So could you please suggest any top 2-3 stocks that I can invest for the 1 year time frame?" Well, good to know, Raj, that a lot of our viewers are still getting that courage despite the 5 months of pain to look at opportunities where they can invest for a 1 year time frame. Have you, in your analysis, picked out any 1 or 2 stocks where you could advise fresh entry for a 1 year time frame?
So if you see, like I rightly pointed out right now, that we have seen some of the sectors that have gained momentum lately despite the FI outflows, and we also believe have the same view. So if I have to give calls, for example, just she has asked for 2 calls, but I would definitely give more. But just speaking on the 2 calls, one is the that we have lately entered right now is the Paradeep Phosphate stock. So currently the stock is around 88, 90 odd levels. But if you see the fundamental picture, quite looks quite robust. The company has also got the BSE approval for merger of with Mangalore Chemicals, right? And this was something that the company or the board had announced in February 2024. But because of some SEBI approvals and rework, we were waiting for that approval, and that has finally paved way. And right now, post this, we will wait for NCLT approval. And if you see the post this merger, the presence of Paradeep Phosphate will be pan-India based, right? So currently, if we see Paradeep itself, it is around the northern regions or central or northeastern regions, and the Mangalore Chemicals is purely based in the southern region. So once both these companies will come into picture, it will have a pan-India this thing. And if you see majority of the products that is been this made, it is in-house only. So
Yeah.
in terms of tariff, if we see, it will not be much impact for this Paradeep Phosphates. And the company has lately, if you see the fundamentals as well, the company has been consistently increasing its revenue share. The management is quite confident of achieving its volumes of close to 3 million tons for FY25, and maintaining their long-term debt to equity around zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.4. So it is all positive, and we believe that you should keep this stock of a long-term horizon, and it will definitely give you good returns. Other than this, if you see some of the cement players as well, lately they were under pressure.
Yeah.
We believe Birla Corporation right now at current levels looks quite good. So the reason behind is that they have already announced their transition into one more this land which will be giving good utilizations. And despite the subdued demand, we have seen the company having a capacity utilization of around 70%. And it is also a pan-India based cement company with renowned management. And we have seen the stock price uh, trading near its 252-week low levels. So the risk reward looks pretty much favorable. And if you see the infrastructure pickup, right now lately we have seen the pickup, and because it was got hampered because of the heat wave and the general elections. But we have seen the capex pulling up, and this will surely have a ripple effect into cement sector as well. So given the risk reward favorable, right now we see this Birla Corporation looking good to enter for a longer term horizon. So both
Okay.
Birla Corp and Paradeep Phosphate looks good, and you can accumulate it right now at the current levels as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.